guys, look at my hair. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at my hair. And I don't have front hair. I actually don't have front hair. This is follow comb factory. Follow comb. So I retouched this hair myself, guys. I retouched it myself. I should have actually just make a video of when I was making it, when I was retouching it. I retouched it. I applied relaxer by myself on this hair, guys, and it's really relaxed. Let me not scatter it because I'm just on a school run. I've literally just dropped my son in school and I'm making my way. I did this last night, so I retouched this last night. I'm making the hair this morning, so I want to quickly go home. I made it last night, so I want to quickly go back home and wash it again. Although I did this last night, but I feel like I should wash it again before I make hair, because that usually when I retouch my hair, I allow it for like a week before I make the hair. But with this one, I literally just want to make the hair straight. So that's how I am this morning, literally to just drop my son. This look good though. Do you think I should go on natural hair? Because I'm feeling like I should cut this hair and start afresh, because I've literally had this hair for like the day I retouched it, so it's been more than 15 years. So that I should go. Okay, I will quickly just go home now so I can wash the hair. I have my appointment today is a home service, so my appointment today is by 10, so I just need to go now and wash it quickly before the time. So that's what I want to do. So guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm back home. I literally just got back. So there's something I want to do. Look, but I will not speed the bins. Yeah, so I'm doing something. But again, I have like an hour. So I want to quickly, in the next 2 minutes, I'll be done with this. I will just go and wash the hair and get ready for my hair stylist. Once I wash it, I'll just wash and dry it. Once I wash it, I will show my face a little bit. When making the hair, I'll show myself. Like, so this is like a new vlog. We're gonna work it together. Goodness. Just waiting for the hairstylist to come and we're gonna start the hair. But while washing the hair, I just decided to bathe again. I bathed early in the morning, but it was when I was dropping my son that I felt like I should wash the hair, because I didn't actually think about washing the hair again, because I literally retouched it yesterday, so I felt like there's no point. But it was when I was dropping my son this morning that I felt, okay, I should, why not do it? So because of that, I decided to, and while dropping him, you know, in the morning, I bathed before going. But again, because I was washing my hair, so this is till 10 in the morning. I've taken my bath twice this morning, so yeah, ready for, this is her first time that she will be making my hair, so let's try it. If her hand is not painful, then yes, because sometimes, it's not sometimes, my scalp is very sensitive. My hair looks hard, you know, but it's actually soft. Also, when you draw it, my scalp is very sensitive. It can literally just pain me. I don't know, but for some reason, yeah. So I want to try her hand and see, because what I notice is any hairstylist that either when I'm losing the hair, because there's some hairstylists, when I make my hair and lose it, within that short time frame, whether 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I noticed that my hair just tangles for no reason and it breaks. Some hairstylist hand breaks, some doesn't break. I remember when I was in Abuja, there's one woman, when I was doing my youth service, there's one hairstylist that was making my hair. Her hand was just perfect for my hair. I can carry my hair for 4 weeks, even 5 weeks sometimes, and if you lose it, you just put your hand like this, everything just opens up. And she used regular hair products, honestly. And even when I moved out from that vicinity and went to a different vicinity, I have to travel down to her salon to do it. It was that crazy. It was that crazy. If I step my foot in Abuja today, I will call her to come and make my hair. If I don't remember her number, I will go to her home, you know, because her hand is really very good on my hair. But you can't actually say it. You can't get it all the time. But yeah, I will carry on and see. I hope if her hand is good, I'm gonna keep using her service. I hope, you know, I'll be trying people's different person's hand. There was a friend of mine did my hair before now. That's the one I lose before I wore the wig. Then now, her hand was really good on my hair. It was really good. It didn't cut. It didn't like tangle. I don't know. And she had a little baby. And there's something I heard. I don't know if it's a myth or not a myth. Some people say that when you lose, like if you have a baby, that their hand is actually very good on hair. And I would say yes, because when she made that hair, she reminded me of that woman in Abuja that used to make my hair. You know, the hair didn't cut. That's once you've seen that it's already cut at how it was before. That's how it was before, you know, before she made my hair. And the thing is, I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you have any suggestions, do let me know. If you send it as direct message, that's fine. If you want to leave in the comments, that's fine. But if you have any suggestion for this breakage, all of those things, do let me know. Just look at it. just look at that. So let me know if you have anything that could help. Sometimes to carry my natural hair is really, I like it, but the maintenance, the combing, and I don't like anything that's going to inflict any pain, even its slightest pain. So guys, I'll talk to you later. Hello, I'm done with the hair. I would say like about 4 hours ago, but I rushed for school run, and yeah, I was about to pack it in and put in a bonnet before I remembered that I haven't shown you guys. So look at this front hair. So I just felt like just a little bit of this one to see if it will cover. To see if it will cover it a little bit like this. So I will tell you the story behind this. Let me see them. Story behind this hair. I had a different hair in mind. I've used that to make a couple of videos and I still have that attachment. So I just wanted to make this same style. That particular attachment is short, so if my intention was, if you braid it to this point, you allow it so it can coil and stop like this. That was my intention. And when it stopped like this, you can coil it. So when last night after retouching my hair, I went to get it out of where I keep my attachments. So I assume that's this one. I didn't notice that this is not the attachment last night. I didn't notice this morning. Even when I went to wash my hair again, I did not notice. When the braider was braiding my hair, I did not notice. It was when she now told me that this is not actually the length of the hair that we agreed. I was like, oh, okay, but just because the attachment was still long. And I was shocked, but imagine, why would the attachment be that long? So the question I asked her initially was, did she add, because she was struggling to start the hair from the tip because of how slippery the attachment was. So she added one other kind of attachment to start that was when she started at the back. So I asked if the attachment she added was long, because I assumed that the attachment she added was what made this attachment long, because it was not supposed to be this long. But then it happened to be my attachment, but it did not clock to me that this wasn't the attachment that I originally planned. So when she now said, oh, but this is not, I was like, okay, because I told you to add up, because I didn't know that this is this long. I said, okay, yeah. Yes, you can. Yes. My son, he's asking you, can he come downstairs? So I said, okay, fine and good. Because even me, I'm shocked that this is long. We can actually reduce it. Like, I'll add money for you. It was when we are now analyzing the hair. She was talking about some other people that makes it and all. It was at that point that it clicked that this wasn't the attachment that I wanted to use. It was at that point that it clicked. It's literally clicked that this wasn't the attachment. But yeah, this is the hair. I had to, like, okay, you know what, because it's longer than what I wanted, I added money to what we agreed, because that was a shorter attachment. But this is the hair. I'm done. I will sign out now. Hi guys, today I did a little bit of touch of my face. So as you know, I made this hair yesterday. So yeah, I made it yesterday. It was just the video you saw before this was made yesterday. So and I wanted to show you something. Look at my flower. The flower, that's my Valentine flower. I was just scrolling track. I wanted to make a video, yeah, a different video before I saw it. I felt like I should make a video to show you. So this was my Valentine gift, you know, on February 14th. And sorry, you know, if you hear the children voice, they're just playing their usual way. They have lots of energy. So look, the flower now looks faded. It's been how many weeks? It's been weeks. Like weeks. Okay, so it's been like 2 or 3 weeks. So it's been 2 weeks and it's faded right now. It's literally faded. Like, look at it. So I want to see how it looks like. It's no longer smelling fresh. I'll open it and see how it looks like. I think when I see the picture that I took when it was fresh, I will put it beside this video so that you will see when that's on the 14th. When I took the picture, I took that picture on the 14th, so I'll attach it to this video. But look, it's no longer, I'm losing the bottom. It's no longer that fresh. Look, but I will still keep it. I just wanted to show you, fam. I wanted to show you. And then my later, let's read what's in there. For my wife on Valentine's Day. Let's see what's in there. So it says, I can never tell you often enough how grateful I am to be married to you, or how very much I love you. happy Valentine's Day. See, it's a card, and I think my husband carefully selected this because look at that word, listen to that word again. It says, I can never tell you often enough how grateful I am to be married to you. If you know my husband, he's not a talking type. He doesn't talk too much. Like, he's a man of few words. He doesn't talk too much. He's more of an action person than the talking, you know. So I can actually relate to what is written here. I can never tell you often enough how grateful I am to be married to you, or how much I love you. He's not a man of many words. So this is actually the exact thing I think he may have even started to write for himself to give me. And I believe he read it anyway to see that that's it, because I'm asking one day, I need you to say it more. I know you're saying, but it's not enough. Say it more. So I think he must have gone to the card shop to select the exact thing he has been telling me. Who is calling me? Someone is calling me and interrupting my call. Let me pick the call and I'll record back. Sorry, I just received the call, and no, I don't want to speed the beans now. I'll let you know when it is time. So that's it really. So Valentine is over. I'm back to reality, but I cannot keep it until the flower get very shrinked, more shrinked than what you saw. Okay guys, that's the vlog for today, and hope you've seen a lot of my vlogs and videos. I'll see you next time.